trees and there's water, and this is a big forest. That there are a lot of animals, and people gonna take a boat.
What is the name of this forest?
Brazil and land.
What is the name of the forest?
Amazon.
Oh.
Wow, it is the
It is the
Big cool forest.
biggest of forest.
And ever seen
Wow, in the world,
in
huh?
the world.
Whoa.
And the forest provide us with
Oxygen.
Yeah,
Alright,
very good.
job.
Good
Thank
job.
you for the presentation of